Now it's live. Okay, are we live?
I think
Yeah,
so.
I think we are live. Yeah, a few people have joined.
Yeah.
Hello, Kanak.
I
Thanks for being part of this experiment where we are
just
trying Substack Live.
like an experiment for me also. मेरी भी टेस्टिंग हो जाएगी.
Correct, correct. So, as I was telling you, I've seen many people in the West use this feature, and I wanted to try it for myself as well. And I mean, yeah, for both of us. So, I just thought you would be the best first guest for it.
Muse.
Muse, yes. Nice. Some people have joined. Thank you for joining our crazy experiment on a Sunday evening, and we hope to keep you entertained. Yes. So, dear friends, those of you who do not know Kanak, Kanak is a traveler. She's a slow traveler, a very conscious slow traveler. She's a storyteller. She writes beautifully on LinkedIn, Substack, makes amazing. I hate to call it content, but like makes amazing kind of storytelling videos on Instagram. And personally, I've learned a lot from her. And this session is just going to be like this live is just going to be me obsessing about how much I like Kanak and her work and
And
her
the other.
storytelling. And we'll see about that. But yeah, so Kanak also has worked at a startup, had a startup of her own, and has a crazy journey pre her storytelling era also that we would
Yeah.
love to talk about. She comes from IIT, and in India, if you come from IIT, you're always like, seen from that lens. So, would love to talk about that as well. And yeah, right now, Kanak and I, both of us live in Beer, very close to each other, although we haven't met as much. But still,
We haven't met
we,
in so many weeks.
yeah,
रहने के बावजूद.
correct. But we'll meet very soon to celebrate this
Yeah.
and many other things. And many
Yes.
other things. So thank you, Kanak. So the idea of this conversation for the next couple of minutes, maybe 30, 45 minutes, is just to like talk about writing, reading, creating, storytelling. Like both of us have left our jobs and our kind of like a safe life to build this intentional life of creativity, joy, and like forming a better relationship with work. But of course, it doesn't come. I mean, it's not as rosy as it sounds like. So we're going to talk about both the sides of it. Like the beauty of it, the beauty of a slow, intentional life. You wrote a newsletter on that just this Wednesday. I read it, and like also like the other parts. The uncertainties, कि लोग क्या कहेंगे types, and how do we introduce ourselves to people. So the whole spectrum of it, just a very candid conversation between two friends. And yeah, so welcome. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thank you for calling me.
Of course. So, how's it been for you in Beer for the past few months? You have been stationed here, I think, for the past 2 months, if I'm not wrong.
3 months now. पता नहीं
Oh,
चला. But I think beautiful beach is one of my favorite places in India. The only place that I keep coming back to. वरना मुझे हर बार नई जगह जाना होता है. Beach is the only place that I've lived in for like 3 times now in 3 different years, long periods of time. And this time it was even more special because I started building my business sort of, which was a new experiment that I did also, hosting slow living experiences with groups of people. So I think for that reason, it was all the more special and fun.
absolutely. So, I mean, for those of us who may not know in full clarity and depth, Kanak hosted a beautiful, what would you call it, like a work trip?
I mean, yeah, it's a work trip. It is for remote workers, people who can work remotely, and it's a slow travel or slow living experience. So for 2 weeks, people come here, we live together, stationed in one place, and weekdays are mostly about work, and then evenings, early mornings are about different experiences, workshops that we do, yoga, meditation, seeing the place, sightseeing, and all of that mix. So the idea is to help people understand कि अगर आपका remote work है तो आपको एक जगह पे अपने घर पे रह के करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can also try and see if you like a life like this, where you can travel to a new place, live there for a few weeks or months, and build connections, see what different people are doing, how locals live, etc. So, क्योंकि मैं ये इतने सालों से कर रही हूँ, मुझे लगा कि अगर बाकी लोगों को करवाने का एक्सपीरियंस हो पाया तो मे बी दे कैन डू इट ऑन देयर ओन लेटर ऑन. That was the thought behind starting it. But now it is so much fun. नए लोग मिल जाते हैं, you meet beautiful people, you make friends, you have fun for 2 weeks, and it's work. And chilling with people is work is so cool. मैं अभी तक sink in नहीं कर पाई हूँ.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
But I've heard this from so many people who start as travel storytellers, but then end up creating these kind of travel journeys for people that they get to experience two very different styles of traveling. And Shivya said this too. Like she had a travel company of her own, and she has shared about that. Ki, like traveling, like just in yourself is one thing, but then when you start to do it for other people, it's a completely different ball game. So how was that for you? Like, because I know the kind of traveler you are, like you like some kind of like an immersion when you travel, experience, slow traveling, traveling on your own terms. But then when there are other people involved, of course you have to do things according to them. So how is that balance for you?
Yeah, I think because people come with no expectations. I don't share an itinerary या हम ये करेंगे या वो करेंगे before confirming. So there's no pressure as such कि ये देना है वो देना है. And the kind of travel that I do is anyway experiential. तो मेरा कोशिश यही रहती है कि I organize like different experiences for people जो वो regular life में नहीं करते या regular travel में नहीं करते. जैसे हमने कोर्स योगा मेडिटेशन तो नॉर्मल चीज़ें वो हमने की ही, बट देयर वाज अ मूवमेंट थेरेपी वर्कशॉप दैट वी डिड, देयर वाज an inner critic workshop that we did, and all these with like qualified professionals, facilitators. You, of course, came and did a blackout poetry workshop for us, which was beautiful. तो ये एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं तो फिर आई थिंक लोगों को भी कुछ नया सीखने को मिलता है, नया एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिलता है, एंड everybody finds something which is their cup of tea. किसी को कुछ पसंद आता है, किसी को कुछ पसंद आता है, but there are so many different things that we do that there's something for everybody, and the idea is slow travel. तो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हमें हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ करना ही है.
Yeah.
So that expectation is already there कि आप हर दिन we will not be chilling or traveling or meeting people. Most days you're just with your own company, trying to see what you like, what is your travel style. अकेले जाके explore. So a solo travel part also gets covered in a way. You have time with your own, and when you start feeling lonely or you start feeling कि अरे अभी company चाहिए, you have people also. So I think that mix works beautifully.
Right.
I wanted
You
to
mentioned.
also ask, what is the reason you have lived in Beer for so long?
That's a tough one. I think to begin with, the first very big reason is a very personal reason, and that is, like this. I know you left home very early. I think right when you joined college, 16.
7th standard.
Oh my God, crazy. And I left home when I was around 26, 27, like a decade later. And the kind of life we are living and building for ourselves. Of course, parents are never the most happiest about it. So while my parents have largely been very supportive, it was just seeming that while home is providing me safety, security, love, I need to step out to find myself and discover other parts of me that will emerge when I live alone. So at 20, I think I was 26 or 27 when I moved out of home, and that was my first time ever. And I happened to come to Beer. So Beer, may I luckily found like the right kind of community, the right kind of people, the right kind of safety to pursue this kind of a field. And I'm using safety very intentionally because like in cities the conversation and the questions are largely about money, your goals, aspirations, and it's not like I don't aspire for money or goals, but the kind of money and goals I have were seeming to be very different from like जो एक चलता है narrative में. तो this space like was seeming to be like the perfect kind of aspiration. Like people are very hardworking here, and I'm sure you would also agree. Like यहाँ जितने भी लोग रहते हैं जो अपना पैशन फॉलो कर रहे हैं, they are super hardworking. तो मुझे ये बड़ा अच्छा लगा यार कि यहाँ लोग ऐसा नहीं है कि बस भाग के आ गए हैं. They have come here to form this kind of like a place for themselves, like a place for misfits, and yet be very hardworking and focused and be in depth about their work. तो वो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा and इसलिए फिर I've just become very attached to Beer now, and I have a good life here, a good house routine.
Comfortable now with Beer because I'm sure और भी जगह होंगी जहाँ ये सब चीजें होंगी where people will misfits are building their own life, building their own things, communities there, etc.
Correct.
I think you are now in your comfort zone कि Beer अब घर लगने लग गया है, अब यहीं रहना है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल या 100% एकदम कंफर्ट जोन. और ये भी है कि
फुल की कोई और जगह है जिसको आप इतना you actually feel at home there कि आप नहीं जाना चाहते वहाँ से दूर. मैं 5 साल से ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ, मुझे अभी तक ये फीलिंग नहीं आई है कहीं भी.
करेक्ट यार, वो तो एक बहुत रहता है लाइक द ट्रैवलर्स डायलेमा ना कि लाइक फाइंडिंग सो मच ब्यूटी एंड जॉय हियर, बट ऑल्सो लाइक व्हेन आई ट्रैवल आई फील लाइक यार अभी आई वाज इन बाली, यार बाली शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं. बट देन वो भी माइंड को एक थोड़ा एक प्लेस में लाना ना कि ठीक है अभी यहाँ पे भी सब सही चल रहा है, तो काइंड ऑफ बिल्डिंग अ रूटीन हियर, हैविंग बिल्ट अ लाइफ हियर. सो आई फील दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइन समटाइम्स टू be in a place of comfort and operate from that. But yeah, I know like if I've become too comfortable here, I'll hope that you will remind that there are other places to see and explore in the world.
We have a crazy upcoming plan which I'm not going to share about yet.
Yes. Yes.
That is a good thing.
Exactly, yeah. So that is me stepping out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
And actually like I mean किसी के लिए तो this will be like a dream come true जो हम करने जा रहे हैं, and we'll talk about it when we are there. But for me it was so difficult even after having booked our tickets कि यार मैं बीर में नहीं रहूँगा, and like I've become so attached to my routine, my desk, my practices, rituals. तो वो भी एक है and that's why like these things help you kind of shake things up for yourself and go to a new environment. So let's see.
Before moving on, I just want to say to people who have joined that if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat, और हम देख पाएंगे the chat questions and then we can talk about them.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Kanak. Nice. So this number shows 9. I'm not sure if there are 9 people live or 9 people who have joined and anyways.
Looks like 9 people who still seeing क्योंकि वो आए वाले पे 9 आ रहा है maybe.
Okay, nice. I can see some paragliders behind you, which is so cool.
Yeah.
People flying in the air. It's amazing, yeah.
The only sight that I've never gotten bored of. दिन बैठ के मैं देख सकती हूँ, ये इतना calming लगता है यार देखना लोगों को.
Yeah.
बहुत सुंदर है.
Absolutely, yeah. Nice. But wanted to give you congratulations on hosting 2 work trips back to back. And like you mentioned that this was like a business, but I'm also seeing like this new era of business, right? Like it was not a business in the sense that you were just hosting it for people. I think you were hosting it for a community that you have built over the past few years, and there were no ads, right? Both the times. That's so crazy. Like
Yeah.
zero marketing, zero ads, and it was almost like an
Marketing.
हाँ,
Organic
zero paid.
मार्केटिंग तो मैंने अपने सोशल मीडिया पे की ही थी, बट कुछ पेड मार्केटिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी. It was so validating कि whatever I've done in the last 2-3 years with respect to content on LinkedIn, Instagram, Substack, I think it was such a huge validation कि कुछ तो मैंने सही किया है with my content and how I've built my life online. that
Yeah.
people actually trusted me, a stranger essentially on the internet, and they came for 2 weeks to live somewhere new with somebody they didn't know. This amazing feeling.
यार आई मीन वही आई वाज टेलिंग यू ऑन कॉल ऑल्सो ना कि आजकल लोगों को एक घंटे के लिए सेशन पे भी आना ऑनलाइन लाइक फॉर अ वर्कशॉप और अ वेबिनार इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट
Hmm.
एंड फॉर नो फॉल्ट ऑफ पीपल लाइक वी ऑल हैव सच डिफिकल्ट लाइक यू नो लाइक रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में ये सब के लिए टाइम निकालना एंड देन 10 people traveling from all over the country to come to Beer for 2 weeks
Yeah,
to
and
live with each other.
really
Oh
all
my
over the
god.
country. I mean, most people coming from Bombay and the south of India was such a surprise. क्योंकि वहां से बीर आना is also extremely expensive and tiresome.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
इतना effort लेके लोग आए and I'm just
Yeah.
happy कि everybody had an amazing experience. और जो
Wow.
भी किया उन्होंने जितना भी मेहनत किया, everything was worth it. Not I'm not
Absolutely.
saying they said it.
No, no, of course, yeah. I was there. I was there. I know the kind of joy and resemblance people were feeling with each other. And I think one reason why I wanted to come was just to be in that space, to
Hmm.
just experience what you have created as a friend and also like an storyteller and to see it. But यार मुझे ये इतना cool लगता है ना like I think this is a very new kind of doing business नहीं बोलेंगे like work yes, it's business. Yes, money is there and everything. All the aspects of business are there. But it's not business in the sense that you're just hosting it for anyone. The idea was to host it for like-minded people, and like-minded people वो भी community से ही आए जो already you have
Community
built over
है
the
और
years.
फिर भी मैंने स्क्रीन किया लोगों को. I had a video chat with
Yeah.
everybody before finalizing.
Wow,
So I think
that's cool.
इसीलिए शायद कुछ तो help हुई to bring the right people together. वरना तो कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. When you're living with strangers for 2 weeks, anything can go wrong. But
Yeah.
all beautiful. What's
Absolutely. And you're also in like these kind of things and experiments also in a way legitimize what we are doing online, right? Otherwise, I mean these things are just blank numbers, ना कि चल 30,000 थे आज followers अब 40 हो गए but करें
हाँ,
क्या? Like
exactly.
we are not there for likes or comments. Like but
Yeah.
these things, I mean 40,000 as a number for you on Instagram would be one thing, but like 10 actual humans sitting with you
Is
sharing their life
more
stories.
than seeing 40,000 on Instagram.
एग्जैक्टली आई मीन लाइक है तो इंसान ही ना यार ये 40,000 लोग हम उनको ऑडियंस बोले या कुछ भी बोले फॉलोअर्स बोले बट दीज आर लाइक रियल ह्यूमन पीपल लाइक अस एंड इट फील्स सो नाइस टू देन be able to bridge this gap like bringing people to offline experience and I feel this is the new wave of like social media.
Yeah, I think this went so well also because I don't think anybody else is doing it in the slow way. Most creators भी जो trips कर रहे हैं या companies कर रही हैं, most of them are like vacations, holidays कि आप 4-5 दिन के लिए चले गए, maximum एक हफ्ते के लिए चले गए, but every day you're out and about exploring, doing something, chilling, ये वो. You can't have time to work and you just can't slow down, take a day, 2 days just to be with yourself doing nothing. तो दो
Yeah.
हफ्ते के लिए आना I don't think anybody else is doing it and for remote workers जिनके पास ये है privilege कि वो आके कहीं और से काम कर सकते हैं तो I think why not, right? And if somebody else is handling all the logistics because I think planning कहाँ रहेंगे क्या खाएंगे क्या करेंगे ये सब also is so stressful कि आधे remote workers तो
Absolutely.
सोचते ही नहीं है कि मैं जाऊँ कहीं.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So it
Correct.
was an experiment and I think it worked beautifully. So of course that's why I started calling it a business कि हाँ अब मुझे ये करना है and in the long run it will help me sustain this life of course.
Absolutely, yeah. And here I feel like the beauty in this, in what you created, is like it doesn't stop there on the last day, right? It serves as a case study for people like me and others who see your work, who admire your work, and then who feel ki yaar, okay, if Kanak is able to do this, like that validation is not just for you,
Yeah.
it's for
So
everyone
the
in the pool.
entire yeah create a community. I agree.
Absolutely. And that's the beauty of it. I
Yeah.
feel तो वही लाइक जब तूने बताया ना कि तेरे हो गए 10 तो आई वाज फीलिंग सो हैप्पी बिकॉज वही लाइक द वैलिडेशन इज फॉर every one of us, and I absolutely love this about the
I also
community.
feel the same thing when you said that you're hosting this dieting workshop at the Himalaya that you did, week long thing. That was also the same thing. It was such a validating thing. Ki, "Arey, हाँ, people like us can also start
Correct.
facilitating, whatever skills we have, we can use it and teach other people, give them that experience. And having built it from scratch, 2 साल पहले जब हम मिले थे, तब से अभी तक कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गया है भाई तू. Such
Same.
a huge improvement as a writer. I love what you write.
Thank you so much, Anna. Ah, thanks. But also, like, I think this is also the right time to share that this newsletter and what is happening right now on Substack is all because of you. And it's not an exaggeration. You know it because you were the first one who told me about this world of newsletters. And I think I mentioned about it in one of the newsletters I wrote recently. So Kanak has been writing her newsletter religiously for the past 2.5, 3 years, I think, if not more. And she has been like absolutely, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, consistent with her writing every
That is not
Wednesday.
true. I just missed 3 weeks when my group was here.
I mean, that's fine. मेरे भी कुछ miss हो गए थे when I was getting married and few other weeks. But I feel like largely if you see from a container of 3 years,
Yeah.
तो उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए, I think that is quite admirable. See, we don't have a team. We don't have like a full engine, content engine. We do this as humans. खुद लिख रहे हैं अपने हाथ से. And life happens, यार. I feel it's fine. थोड़ा वो तो चलता ही है. But largely you have been so consistent and like वो भी अच्छा लगता है यार कि Wednesday में मेरे को पता होता है कि तेरा कुछ आएगा and then it pushes me to keep at it. So I write my newsletter on the weekends. So yeah, and I've loved the cross learning and sharing in the past 2 years
Yeah.
that we have been able to do. So yeah,
And I especially love the friendship that we've been able to build in the last 2 years. Because I don't know if people know, we met 2 years ago in a writing workshop in Build.
yeah,
And now we are here. So it's मुझे हमेशा ऐसे लगता है कि even late 20s also, but in your 30s, so it's very, very difficult to build new friendships. So I like this one is so precious कि अभी हमने कुछ तो build कर पाए हैं, not just you and me, but Shivangi, your wife, and other people. Some of us were able to come together and do things. So I feel like यही वो community building जो होती है ना, हम अपनी personal life में भी कर पा रहे हैं, and we are getting motivated from each other so much. It's
correct.
beautiful.
Absolutely. I think that is one of the gifts of this life, that work is not just like a part of your life that you only attend to from 9 to 5. It's all the time and it's enriching, right? It's not tiring. I mean, yes, sometimes, but mostly it's like enriching, and then it overlaps with your personal life, with other things in your life. So वो अच्छा है ना कि we are able to form this friendship, but also like work together, share work secrets, and learn from each other. तो वो तो है यार.
Because all of
It's
us are
very cool.
living very similar lives. सबने जॉब छोड़ दी है, सब अपना अपना कुछ और कितना अलग डायरेक्शन में फिगर आउट कर रहे हैं, but all of us are trying to figure out how to build our lives, doing what we
Yeah,
love and sustain this life of being able to travel, like work on our own time autonomy, all of that. It's beautiful.
absolutely. And also like Deer Park में मैं जब था ना, तो Deer Park, by the way, I think we should also share something about Deer Park. People might not know.
Yeah.
तो मैं थोड़ा शेयर करता हूँ, देन प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू ऐड. तो डियर पार्क बीर में एक बहुत सुंदर इंस्टीट्यूशन है. इट वाज अ मॉनेस्ट्री मेनी इयर्स बैक, बट देन वहाँ पे जो हेड मंक हैं, जो रिनपोचे हैं, he decided that he wanted Deer Park to be like a institution where people from all walks of life, from all over the world, can just come and learn for free on a dana system, like a donation system. तो डियर पार्क में ऑल ईयर राउंड बहुत सुंदर वर्कशॉप्स होती हैं. Workshops like on Buddhism, Hinduism, religion, spirituality, but also like writing, Kathak, art, and like emotions
Music,
and
singing, dancing, so much. जो देखो वो होता है यार वहाँ पे. It's lovely. बहुत सुंदर जगह है, रहने के लिए बहुत सुंदर जगह है.
Yeah.
व्यूज बहुत अच्छे हैं, वेरी अफोर्डेबल, ऑर्गेनिक फूड एंड सच अ ब्यूटीफुल कम्युनिटी.
And free, like, and they
एंड
don't charge anything. आप literally
स्टे
आप
के लिए देना पड़ेगा आपको पैसा.
हाँ,
For
correct.
learning, attending the workshops, you don't have to pay.
Correct. And stay and food is also like so cheap and yet the best of quality. Like the food at Deer Park is one of the best, and you'll not find cheaper food in beer. I
And
mean,
better
it's
quality.
and better quality, yeah.
मैं हर एक
And
इंसान को लाइफ में जिससे भी मिलती हूँ, मैं सबको बोलती हूँ डियर पार्क पक्का जाना, बीड़ पक्का जाना.
truly, yeah. I think beer made Deer Park. I don't think people credit it enough, but it is like the institution that has grounded everyone in beer. तो बीर में जिस टाइप के लोग भी जो अट्रैक्ट होते हैं उसका बहुत बड़ा क्रेडिट डियर पार्क को जाता है एंड सो मेनी
Yeah.
ऑफ अस हैव लाइक फर्स्ट लिंक हैज बीन डियर पार्क. तो वो तो है डियर
Yeah.
पार्क की जो एक पूरा ऑरा है इट स्प्रेड्स अक्रॉस बीर एंड अराउंड नॉट जस्ट डियर. But yeah, but how did we start talking about Deer Park? What was I sharing?
I think I was sharing how we met.
No, we were talking about. Anyways, yeah. So Deer Park is amazing. Go visit it whenever you are in Beer. There are live, there are workshops that happen throughout the year. बहुत सुंदर है. And yeah, हाँ sorry, I was sharing कि मैंने बुद्धिज्म का एक कॉन्सेप्ट डियर पार्क में मैंने सुना था किसी से. वहाँ बहुत बहुत सुंदर लोग हैं स्टाफ में भी एंड लाइक यू टॉक टू एनीवन एंड यूल फील लाइक वाओ व्हाट अ कन्वर्सेशन. तो मुझे किसी ने ये शेयर किया था द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कल्याण मित्र. एंड द आइडिया इज दैट कि जब आप अपने इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जर्नी पे हो तो द काइंड ऑफ फ्रेंड्स यू फॉर्म व्हेन यू आर ऑन दैट जर्नी जो खुद भी अपनी जर्नीज पे हैं आप भी अपनी जर्नी पे हो बट देन यू मीट एंड यू फॉर्म दैट फ्रेंडशिप टू को लाइक शेयर ऑल योर लर्निंग्स एंड टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स. तो आई फील कि अब हम मतलब मैं जनरलाइज नहीं करूँगा बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अब मैं उस फेज में हूँ लाइफ में कि आई एम ओनली मीटिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ I'm only making these kind of friendships, like very selective, intentional bonds that really, like enrich my life. And you have been one of them. So you are my Kalyan Mitra, bro. Give me
Yo.
give me a. And it's a very cool and cute concept, yeah. Like read about it. It's very nice, like very enriching. And what you shared ना कि 30s में friends बनाना. I feel 20s में बहुत friends unfortunately छूट भी जाते हैं because you figure out your ways and it's natural for people to separate. But
And the
then I
kind of
feel
life that we have chosen also is so different कि हम अलग ही जगह पे रह रहे हैं, तो फिजिकल प्रॉक्सिमिटी नहीं है, काम भी बहुत अलग है, फिगरिंग आउट
correct,
टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ मेंटल एनर्जी, फोकस. आपको पूरे टाइम ज़्यादा आप अपने लाइफ बिल्ड करने के बारे में, काम के बारे में सोच रहे हो, सो दैट ऑल्सो लीव्स अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप्स.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah. कुछ लोगों ने चैट पे लिखा है I have permanent remote work, but I'm looking for Vishal, get in touch with Kanak without thinking twice. She's an amazing
Deer
person.
Park is also a great place to start from if you're looking for community and people
Yeah,
to travel and work.
absolutely.
तो Deer Park आओ, कुछ workshop देखो, या in general Beed आओ. Beed actually in general also has a very very nice community. And it's a
Correct.
small place. आप 2 हफ्ते रहोगे, तीसरे हफ्ते आप रोड पे चल रहे हो तो you will see so many familiar places and you start आए, फिर चिट चैट होने लगती है और फिर ऐसे बन जाती है कुछ कुछ.
Yeah,
That also something that I love about Beer. Whenever I feel thoda bhi lonely, I just go out of my house, start walking on the road, and I know कोई ना कोई मिल जाएगा, and it will
correct.
distract me and it will make me feel better.
Yeah. And I feel there's also beauty in that small talk चलते फिरते ना कि आसपास सबसे हाँ जी हेलो नमस्ते आओ बैठो. I feel that is also cute यार. Not every conversation has to be very
Yeah. Even the
cute.
shop वाले भैया दीदी उन सब से
Yeah,
जो हाय हेलो नमस्ते होती रहती है ना, I cherish that also quite a lot.
correct, correct. वो मैं तो बीर आता हूँ ना मैं जोक करता हूँ यहाँ आसपास कि मैं मायके आ गया. इट फील्स लाइक आप जब भी आओ. मैं आज भी दिल्ली से आया 2 दिन के लिए दिल्ली गया था एंड लाइक सो मेनी पीपल हेलो भैया आ गए कहाँ थे कैसे थे. मतलब वो अच्छा लगता है यार. पीपल स्टॉप एंड एक्नॉलेज योर प्रेजेंस.
Yeah.
एंड 2 days आई वाज इन दिल्ली. नोबडी आई मीन ठीक है किसी की गलती नहीं है बट किसी को पता ही नहीं था मैं हूँ नहीं हूँ. लाइक इट फील्स लाइक यू डोंट एग्जिस्ट इन द सिटीज बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल and you can't blame anyone. But in these small communities where everyone knows each other, feels
Yeah.
very cute to acknowledge एक दूसरे की presence, even if for a minute. It's very nice. But
Yeah.
yeah, Chintan is saying that Deer Park is their favorite place, and hence we too. Nice, yeah, nice. I'm glad you're able to. You have experienced the beauty of Deer Park. Ashish and Divya, I'm not sure.
I know one Ashish and also one Divya, but I don't know if same Ashish and Divya. Um,
Yeah,
but yes, we know Ashish and Divya.
yeah. Maybe not the ones you're talking about, but we know them. Nice, yeah. So, what's the? Do you have like more work trips coming up?
I want to do more for sure, but मैं अब भीड़ में नहीं करना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि दो मैंने कर लिए हैं. I want to design something in a new place. Plus also monsoon आने वाला है. It's not an ideal weather to host a trip in Beer. So I'm hoping that the next one I do is in Ladakh. Let's see
Crazy.
पता है कि नहीं. I am hoping to go September in Ladakh,
Okay.
but Ladakh is a very tough place to figure out. Get slow up you slow down also, be able to work also, and even explore. क्योंकि वहाँ पे कहीं भी जाना is a long drive. तो वहाँ
True.
पे slow down करना is a little tricky with work and with a limited number of days. But let's see. कुछ तो
Nice. Also curious to know, जैसे पहले वाला the work trip you did was mixed gender, right? And the next one was only females. So how was that experience for you? Because lately I'm seeing that a lot of female-centric groups and retreats and travel, journeys are taking place, and I feel that's absolutely beautiful that women are able to, like form those kind of groups for themselves. So how was it for you?
Yeah, from a participant point of view, like because I was also a participant of what I was planning. So being able to be with the women's group was um, like very freeing. No hesitation, no ऐसे सोचना नहीं है कुछ भी ज़्यादा. You can share even your deeper feelings, emotions, and there was space for everybody to share what they were feeling, what their intention was to come to this group, etc. I felt with the mixed group it was a little difficult to open up and share about our emotions, especially um, because I think मिक्स ग्रुप में थोड़ा सब तरफ से हेजिटेशन ज़्यादा होता है कि कैसे रिसीव करेंगे लोग. एंड मेन यूजुअली डोंट हैव द ईज एंड द नो आदत भी नहीं है उनको और उनको उतना स्पेस भी नहीं मिलता शेयर करने का. सो फॉर देम गोइंग इनटू दैट स्पेस इज अ लॉट मोर डिफिकल्ट. So that was, I think, a huge difference. And also, as an organizer, I think hosting a women's group was a much bigger responsibility than a mixed group.
Wow.
Because a lot of people in the mixed group were planning things on their own, like especially men making plans, bringing everybody along, doing even without me, कुछ plan नहीं है तो अपना कर रहे हैं. Here, I think because women most of them were coming out of their house alone for the first time, तो एक डर होता है नई जगह पे जाके चीज़ें करने का. So they were mostly looking up to me कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, आप क्या plan है. And hence I felt like responsible for everybody and everything. Uh, and the physical and mental exhaustion after the trip with the women only group was much more. But I think the happiness, the fun, and the satisfaction was also.
Wow.
Because
Amazing.
my intention behind doing the women only group was यही कि women should feel safe to come out in a setting like this. अगर stranger men होते हैं तो उनको थोड़ा सा लगता है कि पता नहीं कैसे होगा. तो बहुत लोग
Yeah.
पिछली बार इसलिए नहीं आए थे in the first group. They had raised this concern.
Acha. Oh wow.
So this one they had no questions about safety at all क्योंकि women only group है और जो जहाँ पे भी मैंने रहने स्टे वगैरह प्लान किया that is all on me, vetted by me and everything. Uh, and I wanted to create this space for women to go out of their general family relations, friends, and be able to express themselves, understand from what other people, other women especially, are doing, going through, etc. So, but
Wow. Nice, yeah, that you were able to do that. I think you also wrote about experiencing the sisterhood that got created. Uh, that was
वो
also
ही
very nice.
वो एक्सपीरियंस करने का एम था और मेरे को खुद को भी और बाकी सबको भी करवाने का
Yeah.
बेसिकली लाइक आई एम सेइंग टू क्रिएट दिस स्पेस और वो हो पाया
Hmm.
everybody gave each other the trust and the confidence and the space to be themselves and share even. I mean, we can't share things, but there were so many things that we shared. We cried so many times and so like deeper things जो आप normally किसी से share नहीं कर सकते, but this is a group of strangers becoming friends, so you feel a little more open and trusting. तो वो देखना बहुत अच्छा. Somebody is asking, will you be doing women only trips again in future? I will be. Um, how frequently and how uh, soon, I'm not sure. Because I realized hosting a women only group is a lot more taxing physically, mentally, emotionally for me. So I will be doing some women only groups, but not very often.
But still be in touch with Kanak. She does really cool things, and you don't want to miss out on anything. So subscribe to her.
Yeah.
A little ad in between. बट या नहीं यार आई फील लाइक जैसे मैंने भी अभी एक हफ्ते की वर्कशॉप ली थी एंड ऑल्दो इट वाज लाइक एन इंस्टीट्यूशन एब्सोल्युटली सेफ धर्मालय में but you know the and even we had like a screening process so people applied through the website and then there was like a step in which I spoke to everyone and hearing the questions that women ask आई थिंक आप बस ऐसे टाइम पे ही ना आपको फील होता है आपकी मेल प्रिविलेज मतलब बॉयज के क्वेश्चंस इतने अलग होते हैं एंड लाइक इसमें कोई गलत सही नहीं है बट जस्ट लाइक द रियलिटी ऑफ टुडेज लाइफ इन इंडिया लाइक वुमेन्स क्वेश्चंस primarily are around their safety and security
Yeah.
and for them that is like the biggest concern if that is ensured and promised they are happy to come
Yeah.
and for boys it's like other things not that they don't go but like you get it मतलब बहुत वो लगता है यार like it's so humbling to hear these things and then just sit with yourself and feel wow यार like mind में भी नहीं आता you know like if I'm out for a walk at night first I can go out for a walk at night I don't have to think much but two I'm never thinking कि मेरे पीछे कौन है मेरे आगे कौन है I'm just walking एंड ईयरफोन्स लगा के मस्ती में बट ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें ये एक्सपीरियंसेस कितना कुछ सिखाती है ना इट्स आई मीन आई फील लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग हैपेंस इन दीज लिमिनल स्पेसेस आल्सो लाइक sharing context
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
each other like with mixed genders mixed realities
How was your experience of teaching 10, 12 people?
15
15 people how to be
yeah
creative writers. कैसा था? First time you did a week-long workshop, no?
yeah it was my first time it was something else, yeah. I think I can relate so much to what you experienced because that is exactly what I was feeling as well. You know, like more than me facilitating the workshop, more than the fact that it happened at such a beautiful institution, I think the बिल्कुल primal instinct or the primal feeling was यार 15 humans 15 लोग रियल लोग एक सर्कल में बैठे हैं एक हफ्ते के लिए एंड वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द थिंग्स वी लव
Yeah.
writing, photography, art, and that was it for me. Like you know, that was my entire lalach. And I think one reason why I've become this sort of a person who facilitates these spaces is because of how much I want to be in such groups and spaces. These are so enriching, yeah. And I feel now that you know we learn so much as like consuming content like YouTube and Instagram and books and ये सब भी proper beautiful mediums है to learn but to actually sit with a human being and learn from their experience just does something else to you यार I feel वो हफ्ता मेरे लिए was just about learning मैंने पता नहीं कितना सिखाया कितना मैं कुछ value दे पाया but as a participant myself I was so enriched by the conversations that were happening and I feel my entire point was just to create that space and I think I was hopefully able to create that for people And then people just opened up and shared so many beautiful things, exercises, practices, uh, their own relationship with creativity, and it was a beautiful experience, yeah, all in all. And yeah, I
The
loved it.
one tip that you give to every creative writer, tell me, I want to be a creative writer now.
Yeah, I think now that AI is taking so much of the center stage in all of our lives, I feel it's all the more important that we get down to owning our creative practices, creative writing, creative drawing, creative photography, or anything. Malab, I to feel like it's there's never has been a better time to create, especially in the age of AI, because I mean, it tells यार मतलब वो जब एक होता है ना कि things that AI can do and things that human can do, there's a vast difference and people are waking up to that. So I feel it's a very unforgiving time to create. As long as you are creating your own thing as a human, people will applaud you. तो I feel इससे अच्छा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Like पहले you would worry about अरे but मेरा grammar अच्छी नहीं है या मेरे को English अच्छे से नहीं आती या मैं हिंदी में मात्राएं error कर देता हूँ. But आजकल तो ऐसा time है if you make mistakes, people will at least see that you are writing as a human and
Yeah.
they'll applaud you. इससे खुशी की बात क्या होगी? Although like I mean in some sense it's like very sad, but I feel it's also like a good opportunity to just create unabashedly and not worry about things and just share your human rich lived experience uh, and just like put yourself out there. I तो very strongly feel about this कि लिखो भाई, like write your truth.
Oh, that reminds me, you've written a book.
Have I?
It seems like past life.
Past life, yeah.
तो हाउ
Ah.
दैट एक्सपीरियंस, क्योंकि मुझे आई थिंक हमेशा से तो नहीं बट कुछ सालों से आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू वर्क विद दिस आइडिया कि शायद फ्यूचर में मुझे कभी कुछ बुक टाइप लिखना है. आई एम नॉट श्योर येट, बट मुझे बहुत ही इंटिमिडेटिंग लगता है. कैसे तुम बुक लिख दोगे, मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं, कैसे 200 पेज कैसे लिख दोगे. So how was that experience?
uh, Yeah, it was quite a humbling experience to write my first book because I feel as a creative writer first, it was always my dream to write my first book and to write a book, entire book. And I think I was very fast as a writer. I think my consistency and my pace was absolutely amazing. I'll give myself credit for that. I think मैंने 3 महीने में पूरी book लिख दी, like 1 lakh plus words. One, because I was Vela at that time, I was not doing much.
Yeah.
Two, because the story was so much, like फूट के निकलना चाह रही
Waiting
थी
to
तो
come out, हाँ.
waiting to come out, yeah. And I wrote most of it in Deer Park. So the process was very beautiful. Like it was almost like a process of, like पूरा अंदर से share करना what I was feeling, and it was like a cathartic process. But then came like the other parts of it, like the business parts and the publishing reality, the editing, like the craft side of it. Like I think the art side of it for me was very easy. And I could write very nicely, beautifully. जितना भी मैं लिख पाया, बहुत जल्दी लिख पाया. And most people struggle at this stage कि वो लिखने में, like वो writer's block और वो सब को champion करने में. I feel I was good there, but वो यार after that वो थोड़ा editing and talking to publishers and listening to the realities of the industry, then it became a bit I mean like challenging, and I'm still there. I haven't like published it yet, but the good thing is that I continue to write and not obsess about just this one piece of writing in my life, because a lot of people they end up just with one creative project and get stuck on that. And I want to bring this to a closure very soon, but I'm glad I could like spread my hands and like work on other things as well, like this newsletter. So this newsletter was started much after I had written the book. So yeah, but I feel like a big part of it is the hope of writing a book is to finally crediting myself with the title of a creative writer, and it's a very hard title to earn. and just trying to do that word by word.
Nice. I feel like you anyway have to slow down, like adopt some practices of slowing down, living a slow life if you want to do a creative project like that, writing a book. So, what do you think?
Correct. 100%. 100%. Yeah. It has a life of its own, yeah. And I hate to like very romantically, like talk about it. कि नहीं, I'll write it when the time is right or when the muse is there. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है मेरे mind में. I know कि मेरे को क्या exactly करना है. And most of it is kind of like some sort of battling with procrastination and perfectionism. Uh, but more than I feel the craft side of it, ki writing a book, the challenge is like seeing yourself at a distance from it, and like uh, editing without like यार बहुत कुछ एडिट करना पड़ता है. लाइक अभी मेरे को पता है मेरे को 50% तो बिल्कुल ही हटाना है, बट वो हिम्मत ही नहीं हो पा रही. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू जस्ट
You
मस्टर अप
get
द करेज टू डू.
attached ना कि फिर मन नहीं करता, लगता है
एग्जैक्टली.
ये तो बहुत अच्छा लिखा है, ये तो डाल ही दूं, ये तो बुक तो
या
मेरी बात बोल रहा है भाई, ये तो सोशल मीडिया पोस्ट में ही हो जाता है. एडिटिंग करने में लगता है कि यार ये लाइन तो अच्छी लिखी है, ये नहीं हटानी, भले उस लाइन से कुछ हो.
एग्जैक्टली. या editing is a very hard pill to swallow as a writer, and I hate editing. I mean, I absolutely hate it. मुझसे लिखवा कितना भी लो, मेरे को मन करता है कोई और मेरा एक बॉडी डबल हो जो एडिटिंग करे. बस मेरे को राइटिंग करनी है जिंदगी भर. बट देन ऑफ कोर्स जैसे बोलते हैं स्कल्पटिंग में कि what you decide to remove is then what you decide to show to people. सो आई फील उसको थोड़ा एक ब्यूटी की लेंस से भी मैं अटैच करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, बट अभी 3 साल हो गए, अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ. It's tough, yeah.
Yeah.
It's not easy. Yeah, it's not at all easy. Yeah. Oh, many friends have joined. Shivya, Aditya.
Yeah.
Nice.
और
I,
क्या
last month, I had the opportunity to be a moderator of Shivya's book launch, and that's when I decided. Yeah, and it was so nice. मतलब मुझे वो just like two writers talking about writing and books and veganism and storytelling, वो इतना सुंदर था ना.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगा यार ये मुझे और करना है, like and I don't want to be very serious about it कि मैं podcast बनाऊंगा और I'll do this and that. I was like, I just want to talk to people about this. So that's why this came out. The creed was कि just want to talk to people.
And also because हम 5 किलोमीटर दूर रहते हैं पर मिलते तो नहीं हैं.
Correct.
So we will be able to talk like this.
Absolutely. Yeah. So that was one. But
Tell me about your recent win.
recent win.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was quite cool. Yeah, I mean, it's quite cool. So last year I got this camera by Fujifilm, and I became part of the Fujifilm community. And Fujifilm is very active in the things they organize for the creators and the photographers, and they host a lot of workshops. I've been to a few, and एक मेल आया था कि they are hosting this 3-day festival Fujifilm का in Gurgaon at a very beautiful camera museum called Museo Camera. And they were, they asked photographers to submit their best photos and a jury would select them. तो मैंने अपनी भेजी फोटो without thinking much, without expecting much, because Fujifilm में बहुत बढ़िया लोग बैठे हैं community में. And then I received the email last week, I think on Monday, that my photo got selected and it would be exhibited at Museo Camera, which is like a temple for photography.
Wow.
Yeah, so I had to travel to Delhi for that, and it was nice. Yeah, it was nice to see my photograph up there in print. एक तो आजकल we don't print photographs. That in itself is a lost craft. And then to be able to see my photo at a place like Museo Camera, which I said like is a temple for photography, and and there were so many industry experts and great photographers ka kaam also. very humbling experience to find my work there. But to be very honest, and as much as a creative educator, I tell people ki arey likho and own up your wins and creativity is everything. For me, it's been a week and I still haven't like fully been able to enjoy the moment. Like मेरे को तो जब मेल आया तभी मुझे लगा पता नहीं. The first question was कितने लोगों का और select हुआ होगा, and that's so sad, no? That's so sad. And then the next question was, is it worth going? And then like these were the things that were coming to mind. एंड ऐसा लगता है कि व्हेन विल आई फाइनली कम आउट ऑफ दिस, व्हेन ये कब होता है, आप कितना विन कर लेते हो कि आप इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम की थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ते हो, यू नो.
अच्छा, यू वर क्वेश्चनिंग जाऊं या नहीं जाऊं बिकॉज यू डिडंट फील कि मैं आई डिजर्व टू गो.
आई मीन आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो, मे बी सबका ही लग गया होगा. कुछ ऐसा तो नहीं शेयर किया ना कि 200 में से आपकी सिलेक्ट हुई है, मतलब एक वो लाइक देन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक इट लाइक अ रिलेटिव विन कि कितनी बड़ी विन है ये. Is it like a really big win, or is it like सबका ही लगा है? But then I was like यार, मतलब अभी मैं अपने आप को सेल्फ टॉक करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि ठीक है यार, आपकी फोटो लगी है, जाओ और देखो, just have fun with it. But then it's so difficult. I mean, as much as you talk about it, owning it up is an entirely different thing, यार.
That is true.
So difficult.
I think I can relate because जब मेरी second group जब मैं host कर रही थी and the day it got sold out, we met and I told you, और मैंने तो बहुत casually बता दिया था कि sold out हो गया है and I've filled all the spots, and you and Shivangi, you guys started celebrating and I realized कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ऐसे celebratory feel हो रहा, मुझे भी तो होना चाहिए. But I think we do not take our wins as wins. हमें लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है, maybe I got lucky.
Yeah.
Yes, lucky, I actually deserve this. This is the result of my hard work.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I
feel.
Sorry, I was saying कि उस दिन मैंने actually consciously अपने आप के अंदर डाला कि नहीं, this is a huge thing that I've done and I deserve to celebrate. And then I said कि चलो celebrate करते हैं, let's go out and stuff. It was so difficult to do it, but I think बहुत कुछ चेंज हुआ मेरे अंदर उस दिन, honestly.
वाह यार कितना मुश्किल है ओनिंग अप योर विन. एंड लाइक यार सेम ना 2 हफ्ते पहले आई वाज एबल टू डू इट फॉर यू, एंड जेन्युइनली लाइक एवरी सेल ऑफ माय बॉडी वाज सो हैप्पी कि भाई तूने कर दिया ये. तो वो जेन्युइन जॉय था. बट देन 2 हफ्ते बाद मैं अपने लिए नहीं कर पा रहा. तो व्हाट इज दिस ब्रेन केमिस्ट्री? आई रियली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई डज दिस हैपन. And same, like you were so happy for me, you were like भाई कैसा है, all the best ये वो. But then अपने आप के टाइम पे I don't know यार, it's so difficult. Like I think this is so human and I feel ये तो है ही.
और consciously डालना पड़ेगा कि अब छोटी छोटी चीजें भी they're worth celebrating, because otherwise why are we doing so much यार?
Why are we doing so much?
We have to acknowledge to ourselves also कि हाँ कुछ तो सही करना है.
Also that the kind of work we are into, हमारे कोई socially defined wins नहीं है ना कि promotion या salary double या new job. This is what it is. Like this is our salary double and this is our promotion. So being able to see it in that light, and this I'm talking to myself also while I'm sharing it here. But yeah, it's a tough pill to swallow. Yeah.
I think this what you said reminds me of this question that I wanted to like not just ask but maybe sort of talk about कि कोई ऐसे सैलरी फिक्स नहीं है, प्रमोशंस नहीं है, एक्नॉलेजमेंट्स नहीं है, तो कितना मुश्किल है ना टू सस्टेन दिस लाइफ ऑन आवर ओन, स्पेशली व्हेन वी आर आल्सो फिगरिंग आउट वर्क ऑन द वे. हमें पता भी नहीं है कि हमें एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है या क्या करके वी कैन अर्न इनफ मनी टू सस्टेन दिस लाइफ. सो हाउ हैज दिस जर्नी बीन फॉर यू? I have seen you and I also have seen my own journey, and I know it is so hard. But lately and in general, how have you felt and how do you see it?
Yeah, I think this is the toughest question that I've had to answer for myself in the past 4 years. मेरे को अभी जॉब छोड़े 4 साल हो गए. And not that I was earning a lot पहले, but then still like एक जॉब में होते हो तो you have something to say कि आप क्या करते हो, and there is like एक path to वो होता है ना कि पाथ टू सैल्वेशन, कि चलो अभी जॉब, ये प्रमोशन हो जाएगी तो मैनेजर बन जाओगे, प्रमोशन हो जाएगी तो सीनियर, मतलब वो कुछ ना कुछ पीपल एसोसिएट कि ठीक है ये सही कर रहा है इंसान,
Hmm.
But then to be able to not be on that path
Hmm.
and be on the path to nowhere almost, because you're figuring it out, it has been so difficult in both ways. One, as how do you introduce yourself to people? Who are you? And then I hate to sound very confused here. I feel like I'm doing a disservice to the entire community if I'm sounding confused. To money, like people have these questions, and some people really ask, yeah,
Yeah.
how do you figure out money? And I know like people are curious, but then I mean, एक तो you don't know how much is enough. Two, it's so difficult to earn money doing the things we do, and yeah, it's been very tough. Also, I think as a man, like late 20s, bada beta of the house, and like recently got married. So इंडिया में गर्ल्स के लिए एक पूरा एक प्रोटोकॉल होता है, एंड मेन के लिए होता है कि अच्छा कमाना चाहिए, लाइक बीइंग एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ द हाउस, being able to take care of the partner,
Provider, yeah,
it's
provider.
provider, yeah. And also I think यार वो बचपन से हो, आप कितना भी अपने आप को उसके आगे ले जाने की कोशिश करो, as a man I think those instincts are always there. So it has been very very difficult and continues to be, but I feel one big reason has been like having a supportive partner, like who understands the journey, and at least between the two of us there is full honesty and transparency about how much I earn, what I'm doing, what are my goals, and like being able to take a lot of kind of like heavy lifting there. पेरेंट्स के साथ भी नाउ आई थिंक देर इज सम काइंड ऑफ कि चलो ये जो कर रहा है ठीक कर रहा है, इट्स फाइन, अपने खर्चे तो निकाल रहा है, बट लार्जली एक वो रहता है व्हेन यू ओपन लिंक्डइन एंड सी ओ
And
केपीएमजी
also
में ये वो.
एक कांस्टेंट बैक ऑफ द माइंड में कांस्टेंट थॉट तो रहता ही है ना कि अब नेक्स्ट महीने के पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे.
या एब्सोल्युटली,
And it is so tough to deal with that constant thought या mental process जो भी चल रहा है दिमाग में, and then you start going down that rabbit hole कि हाँ मैं, जैसे मेरी स्टोरी होती है कि अब आईआईटी कर लिया है, आईआईटी के बाद तो पेरेंट्स एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि आप इतने करो कमाओगे, आपके बैचमेट्स कर रहे हैं ये सब, and you're living a very very different life. So for friends, parents, close people to understand is difficult. और खुद पे भी वो प्रेशर आता है कि even if you enjoy this life, you feel like यार कहीं तो कुछ तो है, कुछ कमी.
Absolutely, 100%. It's very tough, yeah. And there are so many angles to it, like the gender angle, like the work angle, like how do you. और मुझे ये लगता है, वो मैंने कहा ना कि I'm feeling a disservice to the community if I'm not able to like articulate what I do, because then I feel कि यार people feel कि यार ये कुछ भी कर रहा है, like इसको नहीं पता है क्या कर रहा है. But then I also feel if I really tell you what I do, you may not be able to understand. Then it's a disservice to the person. Like then you're not letting them, at least be in touch with the world we are in. तो बहुत एंगल्स हैं यार इस चीज के ना, मतलब.
और आई थिंक एक ये एंगल भी है जो मुझे फील होता है काफी कि लोगों ने बहुत रोजी पिक्चर पेंट करना शुरू कर दिया है कि अरे क्विट योर जॉब एंड फिगर समथिंग आउट ऑन योर ओन, और उसमें इतने 6 बिजनेस 7 फिगर बिजनेस जो आजकल लोग इधर उधर करते रहते हैं. इट्स नॉट इजी भाई, ऐसे रैंडमली भले ही कुछ लोगों ने की है यहाँ पे एंड दे आर प्रोबेबली एबल टू सर्वाइव, बट इट्स नॉट एवरीवन्स कप ऑफ टी कि आप बिना किसी प्लान के जॉब छोड़ दो एंड देन यू कैन बिल्ड समथिंग ऑफ योर ओन. सो
एब्सोल्युटली,
तो लाइक एक रैशनल थिंकिंग तो होनी ही चाहिए. आई डेफिनेटली डू नॉट रेकमेंड किसी को भी कि ऐसे ही जॉब छोड़ दो जैसे मैंने छोड़ दी थी. दैट वर्क फॉर मी बिकॉज आई एम अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, माई माइंड वर्क्स लाइक दैट, बट यू हैव टू प्लान. ऐसे नहीं है कि
100%.
कुछ रिस्क दाव पे लगा दिया.
100%. Because like what people feel is that money के बारे में नहीं वरी करना, इसलिए अभी इस फील्ड में आ गए. But then on the other side, all you're thinking about is money on most days.
Yeah.
Right? Like how you said कि next month का कैसा आएगा. At least I was so creative when I was in a job. I was writing so much when I had a full-time job, because that is what kept me like going. मैं रात रात को लिखता था. I've written short stories. I used to write children's books when I was in a job, and then somehow. तो ये भी होता है, like मैं तो ये भी बोलता हूँ कि जैसे creative constraints, कि sometimes having a job may be really nice for you as a creative person because आपको पैसों की टेंशन नहीं लेनी. आपके पास एक कंस्ट्रेंट है कि चलो मैं इतने ही टाइम में क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ, कर सकती हूँ. So I feel वो भी एक है, like that is also an okay and absolutely okay life to live. इस
पर
साइड
अगर आप
में
कहते हो कि किसी और के लिए काम नहीं होता, जैसे मुझसे नहीं होता,
सेम
तो छोड़ो भाई, तो फिर
then
फिगर
you're
आउट
gone.
करो इधर और फिगर आउट करो.
Figure out करो.
आप फिगर आउट कर लेते हो, टाइम लगता है. मैं जैसे 3.5 साल से कुछ तो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स कर रही हूँ, बट आई एम एबल टू सर्वाइव. फ्रीलांसिंग किया 10 चीजें की, आई एम एबल टू सर्वाइव. बट अब जब एक लग रहा है, एक डायरेक्शन दैट आई हैव सॉर्ट ऑफ फिगर्ड आउट फॉर वेयर आई वांट टू बिल्ड माय बिजनेस एंड गो डीपर, तब फिर ऐसा लगता है कि भाई कर लिया है
Correct.
खुद से. वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट होता है ना, वो नेक्स्ट लेवल होता
Next level. Absolutely. Yeah. It almost feels like you are betting on yourself all these years,
है.
and then
Paying off
you watch paying off finally. Yeah. Correct. I think for me the past 3 months have been so many of these kind of moments where I just felt कि यार wow, है ना?
Yeah.
And वही मैं किसी को कह रहा था उस दिन कि there are वो एक quote है ना कि there are years when nothing happens, and then
Yeah.
there are days when everything happens. And I think both of us are touched in that kind of a journey कि finally things are happening.
Yeah.
But nice यार, वो तो है. ये जिंदगी के कुछ फिकल हो गया.
फील तो आ रही है, बट जो भी है,
हाँ, फील तो आ रही है.
बहुत चीजें फिगर आउट करनी पड़ती हैं, सब कुछ
Feel तो
अकेले करना पड़ता है. बहुत लो डेज होते हैं, बट फील आती है.
फील आती है. Wouldn't trade it for the world.
Yeah.
100%. Yeah. Correct. मेरे को भी कितने लोगों ने यार जॉब ऑफर्स, क्या कुछ नहीं, मतलब so many opportunities. एकदम मन किया कि यार ले लूँ क्या, एटलीस्ट टेंशन नहीं होगी.
Yeah.
बट देन ये है ना, जो इस लाइफ में जो एक फीलिंग है, वो इट्स सो हार्ड टू लाइक आर्टिकुलेट. बट इट्स एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग दैट वी गॉट टू लिव दिस वे. Wouldn't trade it for the world.
Yeah, very great.
Nice यार, बढ़िया. It's 7. I've taken a lot of your time.
I can see a beautiful sunset outside of
Oh.
the window.
Wow. Nice यार. मेरे यहाँ से तो सनराइज दिखता है.
मेरे यहाँ सनराइज भी दिखता है, सनसेट भी दिखता है.
नाइस. चलो फिर तो तेरे घर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टाइम.
Yes, let's do it 2-3 दिन में.
Let's do it. But thank you so much. It was so nice to just talk about so many things, and it was lovely, yeah, like, to share about our journeys and find so much meaning and resemblance. But let's go, Kalyan Mitra.
कल्याण.
Sounds like a pandit's name.
Yeah. Rudresh has written something beautiful. You've been Rishabh has of course, he's an inspiration to me also.
Lots of love from Chikmagalur. Oh,
Thank you,
nice. Thank you, Rudresh bhai. Rudresh and I met when I had just come to Deer Park. And he was also there, and we formed a very good friendship. Crazy guy, like crazy traveler. And yeah, nice to hear from you. Thank you, Aditya bhai.
Yeah. We
Next-
talked about you.
Yeah,
I don't know if you heard, but we spoke about you a little bit. As
How
one
could we
of our
not?
friends, जिसके साथ हम कुछ crazy करने वाले हैं very soon.
yes, yes. And in the next live, Aditya will also be there. We have not asked him, but he will be there. So it'll be very cool. But yes, thank you, Kanak. Thank you everyone who joined.
मजा आया बहुत ये करके. First
Substack
experience.
Live.
Loved it. Yeah. Very nice.
Quite cool. Substack Live is cool. I like this.
Yeah. Me too. Thank you everybody who joined. I hope it was fun. And
Yeah.
keep reading.
Keep reading, keep writing, keep creating, and follow Kanak. She's a beautiful storyteller, and a traveler. Yeah, that's a good name for you, story traveler. Nice. But yeah, she's these and a lot more things. Read her work, subscribe to her on Substack and LinkedIn and Instagram. She's a crazy woman and an amazing friend. And thank you. वो तो है ही, वो तो होना ही पड़ता है ऐसी लाइफ जीने के लिए. सही है. Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye
everybody.
bye.
Thank you, Rishabh. I will see you in a couple of days.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.
Thank you.